U.S. firms LaRue Architects, together with interior design firm Britt Design Group, have renovated a 1950s waterfront cabin in Austin, Texas, with a quirky hexagon shape and transformed it into a modern getaway home with room for outdoor entertaining, that named Ski Slope Residence. The remainder of the house was built around the original parts of the home, while the areas of the home include a covered outdoor entertaining space with a lounge, dining area, and a fireplace. Steps lead down to a swimming pool with views of the Lake Austin. The new living room space, which is open to the outdoor space, has a wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, while the open-plan nature of the room allows the natural light and views to be enjoyed from any location. The kitchen features cabinets on wooden legs that create a physical and visual space between the floor and cabinets. A glass front refrigerator adds to the design of the kitchen, while a custom kitchen armoire stores coffee-making equipment. Further into the home are a wine cellar and the entryway, which is furnished with a Steinway grand piano and custom apparatus lighting. A hallway with wood flooring and built-in shelving connects the various areas of the home. The primary bedroom has a hexagonal layout and 180-degree views of the lake. In the primary bathroom, there are dual vanities and a freestanding bathtub by the windows. In a secondary bathroom, there's a dark vanity with a marbled top and metallic lighting. The home also has a two-level boat dock, part of the renovation, providing an outdoor lounge space perched above the water. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.